So in this video we're taking a look at the TAC matte glass screen protector. Now I made one of these videos for the iPhone 15 Pro earlier this year, which seemed to be quite popular and still getting lots of views. So there must be a lot of you out there that do like these matte glass screen protectors. So I figured why not do one for the new edition of it, which this edition actually comes with an installation frame, so it should be easier to install. And I do love these installation frames as it makes it easier for everybody to install screen protectors. Right now I don't have a screen protector on my phone. I did have a gloss one and I've removed it. And as well as in this video I'm going to show you the difference between the gloss screen protector, no screen protector and a matte screen protector, and I'll have them side by side on the screen so you can actually have a look and decide what fits your interest best. But before we do that, my name's Almir, aka MrHtech, and on this channel we make tech simple. If you do like this kind of tech content, or specifically Apple content now because of the season, do hit that subscribe button below to not miss out on the latest videos, and also hit the like button if you like the video. Share it with your friends and family as it does help grow the channel and spread it out to more people. So let's check out the TAC matte glass screen protector. Right, so I've got my iPhone 16 Pro in the TAC standard 4.0 case, so just had a look at. You can have a look at here if you haven't seen that video yet. I think for the sake of the video of installing the screen protector, it's best for me just to remove this case altogether. Just get the best view and best fit. So we've got the case off. Now for my screen, it is a little bit dirty as you can see. So we'll see what comes in the box. So in the box we get, so you have a QR code on the back of the box as well as premium screen protector with installation frame. QR code I think takes you to instructions how to install it, but I'll show you in this video anyway. So we've got the little bag, which I assume comes with cleaning cloths, dust removal stickers, and a wet wipe, which is standard stuff. Then we've got a strong squeegee, none of that cheap stuff you get with the other screen protector kits. And then we have the screen protector with the installation kit, which I love these installation kits. Just makes it super easy for everyone to install screen protector on their phone, whereas before people would have troubles and then they'd do it wrong. I think the screen protector retails for around $27, $28 on their website, but you will have a discount code down below in the description box, as well as a link to take you if you want to purchase this, just to save you a little bit of money. Now I think for my screen specifically, I don't need the wet wipes, etc. I think it will be enough for me to just use this cloth just to get rid of some of the fingerprints on there. I think the wet wipes will be good if you've got a very dirty screen, but for me, it's, since I've had a screen protector on it already, it's just a little bit of dust that fell on, and I think that's good. And then on the screen protector kit, we've got a section up here that says top, and that's bottom. And then we can put the phone like this in the top, clip it in, and it should be set. And then I can press and hold, pull it, and then now it should be installing the screen protector on the phone. So I could use a squeegee, but I could let it do it itself and then see where we get to. And then as we take the top off, it takes the top section of the screen protector off and peels it directly. So we do have a little bit of bubbles, but that's not an issue. Major issues are if you get dust underneath, they're a bit of a pain to get out. Bubbles, it's a 50-50 game if you're going to get some or not, but luckily we've got the squeegee, so we can just squeegee them out. And you can see that big bubble that we had there is now gone, just from a little bit of squeegeeing. And then we've got a little bit at the bottom, which is also just press and push to get that little section out. So installation is done. I just had to squeegee out some of the bubbles, and then now it's a perfect installation. I've got to say, these easy installation screen protector kit things are so good, and not just for me, but I just think for the general population, no longer do they have to look for somebody to install their screen protector or pay for someone to install their screen protector. They've made it so easy for people to just do it at home, which is always a great thing. Now, as you can see, the matte glass screen protector is installed, and I'm going to show you a comparison of the glass or the glossy, the no screen protector, and then the matte glass screen protector. And you can see if there is a difference in your opinion of the amount of glare you get. And let me know in the comments box below what you think and which one you think has the least amount of glare and looks the best. And another thing I will show you is that with the previous generations, there was a big issue with matte glass screen protectors losing that level of clarity compared to the gloss ones. And I agree with that. There was a big issue with that. The text would look fuzzy and then things just wouldn't look right. I don't know what they've done with this generation, but you can compare it. I'll put it side by side with the glossy one and this matte one. You tell me if there is a big loss of clarity, because I honestly, although it's not 100% the same, I would say it's probably about 85 to 90% as good clarity as the gloss or the glossy screen protector, which to me is a big bonus, because now it doesn't even look like I've got a matte screen protector on the actual phone. And I think that was a big thing that was stopping people before, and it was something that would cause me to always switch back and forth between the glossy and the matte. But now I think I may actually use this one for a longer period of time, because I do like that it has less glare, looks better on camera, and then it's better when you're outside in lighter conditions and sunnier conditions. If you want to grab one, like I said, links will be in the description box below, as well as a discount code for 10% off, which you can share with you, your friends, family. Share the video with your friends and family if you feel like they'll benefit from this kind of video. If you're interested in more Apple content and tech content in general like this, do subscribe to the channel down below, and do like the video, leave a comment, because it does help out the algorithm and gets shared out to more people, and then the community will grow even larger, which I always say is a great thing. Now, I do appreciate your support, and thank you for watching. I will catch you on the next video.